Good morning. Right, earlier on I done a little video and I'm going to all this together. Um, Basically it's just a video to show you the tacho machine and how to put your card in. Simples, really, absolutely simples. Hope you're all doing well today. The time now is, I don't even know, I'm gonna give a ballpark figure of 7 o'clock. I've been in since 2 again. Just at McDonald's, and I got myself a Coke there. I'm not hungry. These 2 o'clock starts, I'm not feeling hungry. Just really dehydrated. So I'm taking my little break now. Yeah, that's about it. Hope you're all doing well. Without further ado, here's my video on me doing a tacho machine. So there we go, there's our tacho. So we'll put our cards in, make sure your pitch is down and the chip's facing up and going in. Push it in. There we go, that's the last time I worked. Right, do I want to make an additional entry? No, I don't. But if you start work early, then you put your entry in there. And there you go. That's how simple it is. Another thing is, so I'm on hammers, so that's other work. That thing that looks like a little chair, that's when you're on your break. That's POA. And there's your hammers again. So as soon as you start driving, it'll go straight onto the wheel. So just remember that one. Now I'm going to do my daily checks now, which is going to take me 15 minutes. Simples. So I forgot to add this yesterday. So if you want a really quick printout of the hours you've done within the last 24 hours, so if you get pulled by the police, so you've got your OK button. 1, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Simples, and as you can see, it's printing it out. So if you ever get pulled or anything like that, you can do it dead fast without going through, like, looking at the settings. It's that simple, and you'll look a hell of a lot more professional if you do get pulled and the police straight away think, fuck, Nelly's know what he's doing. There you go. Okay, so you've just watched a little video. I'm going to go through these again. So the box with the line in, that means period of availability. Remember that one, it keeps on slipping out my head. The name of it. So POA, period of availability. The 2 hammers like that, that means other work. So as soon as you step foot in the cab, put that on before you do your checks. The next one is the circle with the little dot in the middle. That's your driving. So done, period availability, driving, other work, and brake. That's the last one, the one that looks like a chair. It's your brake. Remember them. I can't stress that enough. Remember them, because I had to do them on my theory, my CPC test, and even when I'd done my test itself, my driving test, the driving instructor asked me what the hammers were. Lucky enough that stuck, that one in my head. That's about it. If there's anything else, oh yeah, remember when you put your cards in, always the face is the last thing, and you can see from the bottom that goes in. Make sure the chip is always on the top, going in first. Can't stress that one enough. I can't think of anything else. Right, so that's me. If you're not already, please subscribe. I do appreciate it. If you like what I do, give us a thumbs up. I appreciate that as well. If you have any more questions, you know where I am. Give me a quick shout. I'll answer them as quick as I can ever remember, and give me some good information for making videos. Help me. I get into these like things where I just can't think of anything. So if you can think of anything, let me know. Right, that's me done. Love yous, leave yous, have a good day. Doesn't matter what you're doing, taxis, HGVs, sitting at home. Have a great day and enjoy yourselves. Speak to you soon. Bye.